Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Windows Subsystem for Linux, which allows you to have a Linux environment on your own Windows PC. And let's get started. Alright, so I have a Windows 11 box right here, and the thing that you want to do is go into the Windows icon, type CMD. You can do this with PowerShell as well. The important thing is that you don't want to open it normally, you want to run it as an administrator, because this is the privilege you need in order to install it. So the main thing that you want to do is type WSL. You'll see that in this case, if it's not installed, it will tell you that it's not installed, and you can wait for 60 seconds without doing anything and it will install it automatically, or you can just press enter and then it will go ahead and install it for you. It should only take a couple seconds. It's depending on your connection and your computer as well. So we'll see how long it takes. Once it's done, you're basically already have the Windows Subsystem for Linux, and then you can proceed to install any kind of distribution that's available. And there's several distributions. I'm just going to go with the most popular one, which is Ubuntu, and then we'll move on with that one. Alright, so in this case we have finished the installation, so we can proceed and look at the distributions as is the prompt it says right there. So we can do list.online, and we can see these are the list of distributions that you can install on your system. So we have Alma Linux, Debian, Fedora, SUSE, Ubuntu, which is the one that we're going to use, and we have some of the other ones. So we just, in order to install any distribution, we just go install -d and the name of the distribution, which in this case is going to be Ubuntu, and that's it. So we'll just have to wait for it to download and install, and then we'll get a prompt to create a user. Alright, so I got an error. In this case, we're just going to restart the computer, and then we'll be back after the restart is done. Alright, so we're back. My computer has restarted, so now we should be able to install the distribution. So we're just going to do install -d Ubuntu, and let's just see if we got lucky this time. Alright, as you can see, now it's prompting me to create a Unix user account. So I'm just going to enter a username and a password, and that's it. Now we have a Linux environment installed in our PC, and we can open it from the command window or from the apps window from the Windows menu. So we could go here, and now Ubuntu appears here. So we can just click here and it will open up a Linux environment, or we can also open up a command window here by right-clicking on this, and that should also open the environment. And usually the thing that you always want to do every time you install a Linux environment is do an update. So we're going to enter the password for that, and right after doing the update we want to upgrade as well. Okay, so let's go. And with that, we should be ready to go to do everything that we can do with a Linux environment on our PC. Thank you for watching, and until the next one. Bye. Antonio from the future here. I just wanted to make sure that just in case if the installation didn't go as smoothly as with me, then you can make sure to check one thing before you do it. Just in case there was a problem with the install, you can go into the search bar and type Windows Features. So you want to click on Turn Windows Features on and off, and you want to make sure that two of them are checked. So that will be the Windows Virtual Machine Platform and the Windows Subsystem for Linux. So if those two are checked, then you're good to go. If not, you want to make sure they're checked, and then you'll have to reboot your computer, and then you'll be ready to go. Okay, good luck.